Elephant.
Dog, they are still dog, cause see war a kick up. You know what I'm saying? Song a roll out. But why you think the war start? Cause you tell me say boy, you probably know
why war start?
Yeah.
Alright, me did watch an interview. See? And what me I get to understand is that Tommy Lee have one line in his song where he must say, or you know like say, you kill a bag of people or you damage a bag of people, and they wouldn't call that a massacre. See? So he say he make a massacre look like a mosquito, small. So he must say the massacre where him create or the massacre where him do, the damage where him do, he make it look small like kind of nothing. And then massacre go hear that and pick you up on his head, think he must say he make massacre look like a mosquito.
And that man mean, bro.
And that man mean, bro.
Bro, you may tell you that. You see, we don't trust nobody. One side not trust nobody. I'm gonna tell you this. Tommy Lee come from where? Who rising? Where he come from?
Talk no man. Talk no man.
The man rides on the Gaza camp, dog. So it has a double meaning. Cause he knows say from massacre run out from earlier on and say the goat hold on the vex.